Friends, welcome back to NG Academy. Our today's agenda is to discuss power of lens, relation between power of lens and its focal length, and usage of lens. This is the definition of power of lens: the ability of lens to converge or diverge. The incident beam of light is called power of lens. Let's understand this definition through this diagram. Here we have two convex lens, one is little thicker and one is thinner. Our question is, which lens has more power? Power of lens depends upon its ability to converge or diverge light rays. Converge in case of convex lens and diverge in case of concave lens. We will investigate on concave lens on later on. Now let's discuss on these two lens. This is figure 1 and this is figure 2. Both the lens have tendency to converge. Among these lens, which lens can converge light rays more? This is the question. Let's draw the ray diagram for both of these lens. See, this is the ray diagram for both of the convex lens. This is focus, optical center, focal length, and this is focal length for figure 1. Here the lens in figure 1 can converge light rays more because its focal length is shorter. Focal length shorter means focus lies nearer to the lens. This particular ray diagram, see here, the focus lies a little bit far away from this lens with respect to this figure, so its focal length is greater. Focus lying nearer to the lens suggests that parallel rays of light incident on this lens after refraction meet nearer to the lens than the lens in figure 2. See here, the light rays meet nearer to the lens. Here the light rays meet far away from the lens. So the lens whose focal length is shorter is able to converge the beam of light or the rays of light more. Hence the convex lens of figure 1 has more power than convex lens of figure 2. Now let's investigate in case of concave lens. See, I have already drawn the ray diagram for it. The parallel rays of light falling on this lens get diverged. Okay, so in case of concave lens, the lens with greater thickness, which has more thickness? This has more thickness. This concave lens has more thickness than this one. So the lens with greater thickness can diverge the light rays more, as it has focus nearer to the lens than this one. Hence, see, the focal length or the focus, this one is focus, the focus is lying little bit far away from the lens than this one. Hence concave lens of figure 1, the concave lens of figure 1 has more power. This is all about the power of lens for convex as well as concave lens. Now we have already investigated all these things. Now I hope you have understood about this power of lens for convex and concave. Now our next agenda is relation between power of lens and its focal length. So if the focal length is small, if the focal length of lens is small, then it has bigger power, and if the focal length is bigger, then its power is smaller. So this is inverse relation. So mathematically we can write this relation like this: P is equal to 1 by F. It means the power of lens is inversely proportional to its focal length. The power is measured in diopter unit. Okay, its unit is capital D. It means diopter, diopter, diopter. One more thing to note is the concave lens has negative power and convex lens has positive power. This is very important. While solving the numerical problems. Okay, this is the last one for today. Uses of lens. See, lens are used in spectacles. Lens are used in optical instruments, for example camera, telescope. Concave lens is used in making a peeping hole in a door. So this much for today, and thank you for watching the video.